Hello guys, now I'll be showing you some hack on how to keep your sponge and your kitchen towel very clean. Take your bowl, place some water into it, and then take your cardegina, can also be called jig in English. Add a little, let me use this for example. 1, 2, and 3. Just add 3 of this liquid into your water. Next, you take your sponge, you take your kitchen towel and soak this into it. Let me add more water. Okay, soak this and just leave it in your kitchen table or your kitchen sink. Leave this for maybe 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes. With this, you are going to disinfect your sponge and your kitchen towel, because if you don't do that often, there might be germs in your kitchen towel and your kitchen sponge that might contaminate other things. So always disinfect your sponge and your kitchen towel. Okay guys, after let's say 10 to 15 minutes, look at the water. Can you imagine? Look at the water that came out of it. So just go ahead now to do it like this. Just squeeze it out. Before I forget guys, import the water away. You can use alcohol in case maybe you don't have jig. You can use alcohol as well. So with this, for the next few weeks, or next few days, your sponge is okay. Okay, make sure you do this all the time, just to avoid germs and all that. See? So thank you guys.